A very effective exercise I'm still having fun with a lot is a kind of fitness training with 16th notes. The rules are only 16th notes have to be played, no slower, no faster, no rests, and your foot is constantly tapping to a metronome. Set the metronome to a tempo that's challenging you, but not too hard. I'll set it to 160. See it as a fitness training for your hands, and that depends on what kind of technique you want to train. If you are into tapping, into sweep picking, alternate picking, left hand legato, what I did, you can work it out. And what you also train, and that's more important than the physical thing, is you train your brain. One of the great problems when improvising is when you start, you don't know where you're heading to. And I think musical rests should be intended and not because your technique fails. With this exercise, you train exactly that. You will find yourself very often driving towards a wall, and you have to come up with an immediate solution to drive around that wall. And your foot that has to hold on to the beat helps you to get the whole timing into your system. It's very important.